how easy it is to make your own samosas. So today I'll be showing you the easiest way you can make your own samosa sheets. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, share this video with your friends and family. So let's dive in. So I'll start with flour. So that's about 2 cups of flour. I'll add in salt. Give it a quick mix. I'll go ahead and add in water. So I'll go ahead and pour in some oil. I'll then dust our table and then transfer the dough. Now that our dough is ready, that's it. Right now I'll go to the next step, which is rolling it out. Just put this one down. Stop it at that size and put it aside. After rolling them out, I'll go ahead and add oil. And then put the next one. So every layer after finishing, you add oil and then you add another one. There we go. So after adding our last layer, you can see that the downer ones are even much more soft. So I'll go ahead and roll. You roll it out. As simple as that. So I just do this to make it easy to carry, just so you can see. It's easier for me to spread. So let's proceed to the next stage. Now go ahead and place it just like that on the fire. Well, we don't let it stay for long. So just keep on turning and then pull off one layer. that. Look at this. So you can see our samosa wraps are ready. Just look at that. They are light, so easy to make, just like you've seen. So the next stage will be splitting them. I'll go ahead and give them a quick cut. Just like that, we have ourselves some nice samosa sheets. So these are our pre-cooked Irish. Add in some black pepper. So this layer has to be in line like that, so that it's easy for you to cover. So it's a matter of taking one and then you fold it, just as easy as that. And then you open it, just fill it up and then press it down and cover. So as easy as that, we've made ourselves some nice samosas. The next stage is the easy one, it's just frying. Our oil has been going for some time, so I'll go ahead and add in our samosas. So making samosa is just as easy as that. So here we are. We have our samosas ready. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.